Forgot the unlock pattern on your Android phone and wondering how to unlock it? Many people have been in this predicament, especially worrying about losing data on their phones while unlocking. Don't worry, in today's video, I'll bring you 2 effective methods to solve the problem. Let's get started. Method 1. Unlock phone via emergency call. First, take out your SIM card and restart your Samsung phone. Then swipe up and tap on emergency call. Follow our steps to enter some secret codes in the emergency call. Then back to the lock screen and tap on emergency call again. Enter ##0000 hashtag and you will see the can't call screen again. No worries, press and hold the side buttons, and you will see 3 options. Tap on power off, then press and hold the power off button, and you will see safe mode. Tap on it. Then your Samsung phone will restart and enter safe mode. When the phone restarts, swipe up the screen and you will see the lock screen again. Enter a pattern and repeat the pattern until you see the try again screen. Next, restart your Samsung phone. Finally, swipe up the screen and enter the pattern you drew in safe mode, and your phone will be unlocked. We cannot guarantee this tip works for everyone, but some users really can unlock phones using the emergency call. Method 2. Use Android Password Unlocker. The easiest and fastest way is to use a professional Android screen unlocker, such as iMobie DroidKit, Android Phone Toolkit. It can effectively remove all kinds of screen locks, from facial recognition and fingerprint IDs to patterns and pins, all without rooting your device. The program supports over 20,000 Android models and offers an easy way to unlock locked mobile phones. In addition to unlocking, DroidKit also allows you to recover lost data, repair system issues, and manage files. Step 1. Go to the official website to download the latest version of DroidKit for free and open it on your computer. Step 2. Select the screen unlocker and connect your device to the computer. Then click on Start. Step 3. Wait for the configuration file to be prepared, and tap on Remove Now. Then select your device brand. Step 4. Select your device brand and follow the steps below to remove the screen password. Step 5. After that, DroidKit will start unlocking automatically. After a while, your Android phone will be unlocked successfully. And if you have backed up data via Google, you can try to restore data from Google, restore data from an SD card, or restore data from a SIM card. Hope you can solve the issue by following the methods provided in this video. If you like it, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. Feel free to leave a comment below. See you next time.